name is Brandi. I'm a yoga teacher here in Northern Colorado, and I'm partnering with Clearview Library District for the month of May to talk a little bit about mindfulness and meditation for Mental Health Awareness Month. So if you don't already know, this is actually the second video that's going to be posted. There's going to be 4 total. I would go back and definitely check out the first video if you haven't already, just because I talk about sort of the basics of mindfulness and meditation, and then we get a little bit of practice with meditating at the end. So it's definitely worth checking out if you haven't. In today's video, we're going to talk about alternate nostril breathing. I'm just going to talk about what that is, some of the benefits, and then we'll dive right into the practice. So alternate nostril breathing is essentially exactly what it sounds like. It is breathing while switching or alternating between either nostril. Alternate nostril breathing is said to balance the nervous system, reduce anxiety, it can lower blood pressure, it can lower heart rate, it can improve lung health, and it can improve brain function. So those are obviously some pretty big health benefits that I would say affect everyone's overall health and day-to-day living. So definitely a practice worth trying if you're up for it. But an important point here is that obviously those benefits are not going to happen overnight. So those are said to happen or occur over a long period of practicing this meditation, so returning back to your alternate nostril breathing. That being said, we can definitely experience some short-term or more acute benefits in our practice today, maybe just with creating a better sense of calming and relaxing that nervous system, reducing some of that anxiety, and also just taking a little pause in our day. Like, who doesn't want that? That's always great. So we're gonna go ahead and start. So we're gonna start by bringing our middle 3 fingers to the space between our eyebrows. So our pointer finger, our middle finger, and our ring finger. Just bring them right up to the forehead, right between the eyebrows. Go ahead and close the eyes. Starting with some normal breaths in and out both nostrils to begin. Breathing deep in through the nose, back out the nose. We'll do that again, in through the nose, out through the nose. One more time, in through the nose, and back out the nose. From here, make sure you have your thumb and your pinky finger out to the sides, ready to go. You're going to use your thumb to plug the right nostril and the pinky to plug the left nostril. So starting with both nostrils unplugged, take a deep breath in both nostrils. Pause at the top of that breath. Plug your right nostril with your thumb. Breathe out the left nostril. Breathe in the left nostril. Pause. Plug the left nostril with the pinky. Release the right nostril with the thumb. Breathe out the right nostril. Breathe in the right nostril. So our pattern here is going to be out, in, switch. Out, in, switch. We're going to take the next couple of moments here to take a few breaths this way. Quick note before you practice this, it's advised that if you have asthma that you do not participate in this practice, because there is a risk of inducing an asthma attack. So definitely be cognizant of that. But if you are able to practice, we'll go ahead and begin. Again, 3 fingers between the eyebrows, starting with a few regular breaths. And then beginning our pattern, remember, out, in, switch, out, in, and switch. Continue this pattern on your own for a few moments here. Just keeping your awareness on the breath as much as possible. complete, we'll take a full breath in both nostrils, out both nostrils. And just sit here for a couple breaths, keeping the eyes closed, allowing the breathing to return to normal. Check in with the body, see how you feel. Hopefully, mind feels a little calmer, a little quieter. The body feels a little more relaxed. When you're ready, go ahead and blink the eyes open. So ideally, if you have the time for it, I would suggest practicing your alternate nostril breathing for at least 5 minutes to really experience the benefits acutely and long term. I want to go ahead and thank you for joining for this video today. Like I said, the first video of the series was sort of just talking about the basics of meditating. This second video was sort of just a dive into some of the less common versions of meditating. Our third video is going to be some tips and tricks and then a little practice with meditating in busier places. So maybe finding a quiet moment at work or if you're around a lot of people. And then our last video is going to be kind of if you're at home but maybe have some other people in your life that you live with, some quick ways to get in a quick meditation there as well. So definitely make sure that you check those out. If you haven't, definitely go back and check out that first one like I said. But yeah, I want to thank you all for joining today and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.